The other important idea here is you can divide relationships into three key phases: attention, interest, and maintenance. You walk into a bar, you see a very attractive person, wow, they've got your attention. Hopefully, you've got their attention. Then you go over and talk to them and you get to know them, and now you're entering the interest phase. And then maybe after a few days or weeks, you might transition into the maintenance phase, which is long-term commitment. Now, the key point about this idea is that different skills are required depending on which phase you're in. It's a profoundly important social psychological model in terms of getting a handle on and understanding business relationships, friendships, and of course, romantic seductions. Now, even if you want to reject the attention, interest, and maintenance phase, it's a very powerful model. We all know people who we think, this is a wonderful person. How come they're single? Well, maybe they're really good at maintenance and they're not so good at attention or interest. So the model's really helpful in diagnosing problems in terms of seduction. And one other point I want to make is even if you end up in a long-term committed relationship doing maintenance, if your relationship's going to be successful and last 40 years or 50 years, I believe you've got to cycle back through attention, interest, and maintenance. You've got to be constantly cycling through in terms of a long-term relationship, in terms of getting your long-term partner's attention again, getting them interested again in you.